This is the NOAA NOWCoast web mapping portal. It's a real-time ocean current, wave height, and wind map for the coast across the globe tool. It has many options that layers for the end user to be able to see the ocean's actions across the globe. How do we use it? Well, you click on the magnifying glass. Gotta find the magnifying glass. Oh, it's up here. Sort of to the upper right, kind of not quite in the middle of the screen right here. You click on this, and this is where you can find your address or place in the world. So if we want to type in, let's say, Temecula, California, we'll click on that, and it, just like the other map, it kind of zooms way in. Okay. You can input any address anywhere in the world, and it'll give you. You can put your GPS coordinates in, a zip code, an address. It'll take you right there. So it makes it very user friendly, and it's a little bit less intimidating than some of the other ones, I think. If you click on the boxes to the very far right hand of the screen over here, you can select which features, and there are a lot of features over here. You can see weather forecasts, you can see links to marine weather forecasts for the beach and surf, coastal waters, offshore, high seas, even Canadian waters. You can see surface air temperature. You can see ocean, lake, estuary, tide predictions, river forecast, ecological forecasts, weather forecasts, other forecasts, which is like fire weather, airport aviation, air quality. You can see forest discussions, or forecast discussions, not forest, I apologize. You can see time lapse here at the very, very bottom. At the very, very top, there are different other resources here. You have layer menus and a legend. The legend here shows you rip currents and storm warnings when you get over here to the ocean. So if we just move the screen over, because we want to kind of look at the sea right now. Let's zoom it out. No, not zooming in. Let's zoom it out. Okay, so we've zoomed it out. So if we're looking over here, we can see that this is the borderline here. And so we'll zoom it in. Nope, I keep doing that. Okay, so we're going to zoom it in a little. And if we want to see what I thought would be helpful for students for this particular project, which is designing an underwater seismic sensor, students might want to know are going to need to know what the ocean current is. They're going to need to know what the wave height is, and they're going to need to know what a wind map is. So, ocean current. So if you look here underneath the National Digital Forecast here, they can see what the surface wind temperature is, wind speed is. So if they click on an area over here, they're going to be able to see that the surface wind speed in knots is 10 here. So, if they know that they want to put a seismic sensor over in this particular area, that they're going to need to know what the maximum velocity might be or the minimum velocity is going to be, so they can predict, or they can kind of do an average that over here it's about 10 knots. So they're going to need to know what that is. They're going to need to know what an ocean current might be. So or they're going to need to know what the wave height is. So that a wave height here is 3 feet. But maybe closer inland, well, right now it's 3 feet. See how that's 2 feet. Over here, 3 feet. See, really close to shore. See where this line is? So as we click around here, they may find different results. And they may have to do this for over a course of a few days. So they can click over here and determine some different things. Ocean current. I think I have a different one for ocean current. Let's see what ocean current is. Okay, so that is the NOAA NOWCoast tool.